Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another market recap. This is today's read and how we did today. We took one position, we went long here. However, I had a trailing stop, and this wick was a little too aggressive, and it did um, stop me out in some profits. But we were right on my draw of liquidity for the day, as well as my levels. But let me go ahead and explain my analysis here, what I saw, and why I took that long. First things first. Uh, First things first, we had news right at 10 o'clock. Correct. I marked that out here with this red dotted vertical line. And prior to data release or Powell speaking, right, we had market open. Price came up. So I had marked out the 15-minute high as the internal range liquidity and the London low as the external range liquidity, because we had this 15-minute high back here as well as 15-minute inefficiency that, as you can see, price did respect here. So I marked that out. And as you know, if price takes out internal range liquidity, it's going to seek out external range liquidity, which was this London low back here. Correct? So we get data release, Powell speaking, right? Price finally dumps here at 10:08. And when they rejected this, when it came down, took out, swept this low and rejected it. So I decided to enter there. And I was targeting, oh, I should have mentioned that on the higher time frame, what I saw was this high from Wednesday's session, right? As well as this 4-hour inefficiency from all the way back here. So I wanted to see that get tapped into on the day. And here's that previous session high right here. That got hit, as well as tapped into this 4-hour inefficiency up here, right? That I had marked out the draw liquidity. And yeah, it's unfortunate that I got stopped out here in profit. We would have had a nice beautiful run, but it's okay. This stuff repeats, so if it happened once, it will happen again. I'll just maybe won't be so scared as to trailing my stock. I usually don't trail my stop, right? But this was very aggressive, and we did form a inverse fair value gap here, right? The price came into, respected. So I had a respected stop here, and as you see, that wick down and took me out. But let's see if that took out on NQ. What time was that at? Oh, this was at 11 o'clock. Okay, did the same thing. So yeah, just unfortunate, but we were right on our draw liquidity in the day, and that's really my main focus. And as you can see, yeah, price did just that. So we'll see how tomorrow goes. We don't have nothing crazy. It's just Powell speaking again. So hopefully we get a nice picture perfect setup like we did today. But if not, we'll see how it goes. Thank you guys for watching like always. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.